Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travel. Today we have another unboxing of a swatch, moon swatch. This one is the Mission to EarthPhase. So once again, you got some fun little facts or quotes on the box. Regarding the watch. You open the box, and it's the same paper box as all the other ones. And when we open it up, again, we have the chart. And this is the reason that I was interested in this one, is to see the phases of the Earth from the moon's perspective. Again, it's not a very practical thing down here on Earth, but it's still a novelty that I was interested in. So again, it's got the advertisement for all the other moon swatch collection. What else is in here? The user manual for the Mission to EarthPhase. Go a little bit slower. It's even got the other languages. And then it's got the normal instructions. And of course, the warranty card. And now the watch. It's got the same band as all the other moon swatches. Love them or hate them. And we'll take cover off. And let me hit that with a black light and see if we can see, there it is, the Earth lighting up a bit. Sorry for the focus. And the strap is just a Mission to the Moon strap. And again, in this one, it looks like we're losing the milliseconds, but gaining the Earth phase. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing of the Mission to EarthPhase Swatch Moon Swatch in collaboration with Omega and Swatch. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.